Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best paintless car dent repair kit in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best paintless car dent repair kit that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Fly 5D53 PC's PDR Kit Auto Body Dent Removal Toolkits. The Fly 5D53 Piece PDR Kit is the most compatible vehicle dent removal toolkit because there are different pull tabs available in this kit. The Fly 5D Dent Puller Kit consists of highly durable pull tabs that you can use to repair door dents, hail damage, and large dents. This repair kit contains everything you need for a quick and professional repair. The included 100W hot glue gun heats the glue to approximately 365 degrees in 2 to 3 minutes for minimal waiting time, which speeds up the dent repair process. In addition, this model is also environmentally friendly and can be used without any problems and worries. Its operation and structure are not that complicated either, even if you have to look at the operating instructions from time to time. If you are not sure which tool or set to choose, this DIY kit is your best choice as it has all the tools in one package. The included instructions will guide you through the repair, making the repair process quick and easy. Moving on at number 4, we have the Manelord Auto Body Repair Toolkit. Manelord is a popular brand that produces a wide range of quality dent removers for cars that make difficult dent removal easier. This particular dent remover stands out from others with a similar design due to its durability, as the suction cup is made of thick rubber with a diameter of 4 5/7 inches for easy handling. The body and handle are made from aluminum alloy, and another cool feature is that the handles lock together for a secure grip when you draw. There are a wide variety of pull tabs available depending on the size and shape of the dent you are repairing. The large pull tabs are great for larger dents. It will not damage car paintwork while removing dents from your vehicle. However, you may not like the glue sticks as they are not included or are too thin to use. Apart from that, following the instructions, the kit is easy to use and offers excellent value for money. At number 3, we have the ARISD 32 PC's Auto Body Dent Removal Tools Kit. ARISD Auto Dent Repair Kits are a highly durable, fully functional option for restoring the look of your car. This kit not only works well on cars but also removes dents on many flat surfaces. You can use it for motorcycle dents and even home appliances like washing machines. The plastic tabs make it perfect for a variety of dents. Also, the car surface will not be damaged by these sturdy tabs. To ensure that the process runs smoothly, the model is also easy to assemble and operate. It is made of high-quality aluminum. The model is also quite durable and robust. Plus, this also gives you longevity down the road. You also don't have to worry about minor impact damage, which some models are prone to. However, the ARISD Automotive Dent Removal Kit does not come with a glue gun, which is quite an important component in dent repair. At number 2, we have the Anyyion 98 PC's Paintless Dent Repair Kits. Anyyion Dent Repair Kit is a complete tool set that can be used to remove all types of dents from 0.1 to 10. This kit includes various tools for beading, as well as a glue gun and other accessories. With 98 different parts, you have many options to fix your car dent. There are also 5 black pins, a cleaning cloth, and 5 clip removal tools. Anyyion Paint-Free Dent Repair Kit has a carry bag for all tools. The tools come with detailed operating steps, making the dent removal process a breeze. And it takes very less time to pull out all types of dents that make the car look awkward. It is easy to carry and can be used in many different places. Also, the heat gun works very well with the melted glue, but you need to learn how to use it well and also give it time. If your car recently suffered damage, you can easily fix everything at home with these tools. And finally at number 1, we have the GLISTON 45 PCs, Paintless Dent Repair Tool Dent Puller Kit. The GLISTON Paintless Dent Repair Tool is one of the best dent repair kits because it has everything you need to repair perfect dents and it's easy to use. It comes with 45 pieces in total, including 1 hot glue gun, 1 plastic bridge dent remover, 10 glue sticks, 1 gold dent lifter, and 5 pry tools. This dent picker is made from high-quality aluminum and steel that will last the life of your vehicle. Its adhesive tabs are made of thick, rigid plastic that provides great traction for larger dents. It perfectly removes dents from all types of cars. This kit is very portable, and you can use it anytime, anywhere. Most dents can be removed in half an hour with these tools, which helps to save money and time. At auto repair shops, you never have to pay a lot of dollars every time. It is suitable for dents of all kinds of flat metal, such as car sheet metal surfaces and washing machine sheet metal.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.